దయచేసి పిల్లల్ని కొద్దిగా సర్దు.
ఇవి కాసేపట్లో మనము కళాశాల మరియు పాఠశాల భవనాలను ప్రారంభించుకున్నాం.
కూడా సాధారణంగా వారిని ఆహ్వానిస్తారు. అలాగే మన మంచిర్యాల డీసీపీ గవర్నర్లు ఏ భాస్కర్ గారు ఇచ్చేసారు, ఐపీఎస్ గారు, వారికి కూడా సాధారణంగా స్వాగతం తెలియజేస్తా ఉన్నాం. వారి వెంట వస్తున్నటువంటి జిల్లా అధికార గణం అందరికీ కూడా
सरस्वती माता की, हयग्रीव भगवान की। ओम राजा बृहस्पति ध्रुवं इंद्रश्चाकृष्टराष्ट्रं धारयतां ध्रुवं ध्रुवं ध्रुवेन हविषा तस्मै देवाधिप्रवन्न अयं च ब्रह्मणस्पतिः सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। ओम अनुभवं परिहवं परिवादं परीक्षतं दुःस्वप्नं दुर्दितं तद्विषभ्यो दिशाम्यहम् अनुभूतं परिहूतगुं शकुनेर्यदशाकुनं मृगस्य श्रुतमक्ष्णया तद्विषभ्यो दिशाम्यहम्। सरस्वती माता की, हयग्रीव भगवान की, विद्यालक्ष्मी माता की। सर सर अक्षर కొంచెం జరగను వెనకకు నేను ఎక్కడ జరగాలి చెప్పు. గట్టిగా ఒకసారి చెప్పండి చెప్పండి. అనంత కరతాధ్వరుల నడుమ మన నూతన విద్యాలయ ప్రారంభం జరుగుతోంది. तस्मै देवाधिप्रवन्न ओम ध्रुवन्ते राजावरणो ध्रुवन्ते ध्रुवन्ते इन्द्रश्चाकृष्टराष्ट्रं धारयतां ध्रुवं ध्रुवेन हविषा तस्मै देवाधिप्रवन्न अयं च ब्रह्मणस्पतिः।
सर कितनी करा ओके कितनी करा सर ओके कितनी ओके सर
మన ప్రభుత్వ పాఠశాల లక్ష్యపేట ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులు వేణుగోపాల్ గారు సభను ఉద్దేశించి 2 నిమిషాలు మాట్లాడారు.
Bless this occasion. Yadagiri Deputy Secretary of and the people who on the dais, esteemed guests, and we have a lot of people here. All of them, whether teaching community or lecturer community, whatever the community is there.
Okay, put.
Last 1 week, there was no difference between our protocol and anything else. We are like a family. As a family, we could make this. For joining this family, the teaching faculty, as well as the rest of the departments, as the revenue department or other department, revenue department, NPDO and the education, all the departments, they joined with us. They made this program. Is called without their support, without their this thing, we could not have been made it. And that is the reason I am telling you, we are one family, we are beloved, we are everything has to, if everything has to be successful, means it is not possible with one man. It has to be the team effect. And let us forget about the protocol system and other things. Let us make it as a family. Then things can be possible if there is a responsibility on everybody's shoulders. They think they can make it. That's how the things will move. But at the same time, at the elm of this, there should be a leader to lead the show and build the systems. Over a period of systems will run. That's what we are expecting. Now, I am coming to the children. As Deputy Secretary said, there are everybody thinks the poor. Here one sentence I will tell you here. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has said, the education will make you the lion's milk, drinking in the lion's milk, which make you roar to the systems. That is what the education is. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said, చదువు అనేది మనిషికి సింహం పాలు తాగినంత బలం ఇస్తుంది. సింహం పాలు తాగితే మనిషికి సింహం లెక్క రోరించి సమాజంలో మంచి గురించి మాట్లాడే శక్తి, ధైర్యం వస్తుంది డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ అంబేద్కర్ చెప్పింది. Now I will come to the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of this country. In 1956, I think, when he laid the foundation for Sriram Sagar as well as Nagar Sagar project, he said the irrigation projects in this country are modern temples of the world, because unless we give the water to the fields, we cannot produce any food grains or anything. In those days, there was a 50% charge of food grains. Now today, I will tell another way. Education institutions, but more particularly government education institutions, are much more than temples. It is like a temple, it is more than temple, because it producing lot of families, lot of children successful. It is not only the child we are teaching child. It is not the child. We are teaching a family. We are making a family strong. And indirectly, we are supporting the society to become a bigger society, richer society, and so that we can compete with the rest of the world. Fortunately, our country is the highest, around 60 to 65% of the youngest generation in the world. These are the first. And second thing is, we have, compared to developed countries, we cannot compete with their natural resources or area-wise or any other way. We cannot compete with them. We have only the manpower with which the current last 2-3 decades, the manpower is making wonders. So definitely Lakshadweep definitely will make. We are, our children are good. They are also qualified. They are also intelligent. I have seen the intermediate board, I think first and second and third children has come from the social welfare school, which is a proudful moment for us. Now today, this is a third thing. Earlier we completed Mahaprasthanam in time, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. This is the third thing which we are doing, which we did today. We unveiled the history in Telangana state about the education system, how the government institution we should build so that which we can compete with any other, not even complete. We should be much ahead of the institutions of corporate, what they are talking. The ventilation or space, aesthetically and natural, we provide all the natural ventilation, everything, so that except difference is they cannot have the private, which rich of the richest corporate, they cannot have this infrastructure. They cannot provide this much lung spaces. They cannot provide this kind of infrastructure. Only thing here.